Good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. I am Shakay and I do lifestyle vlogs. So guys, it is Sunday. I started to show you guys like my outfit and all of that for today. We're starting off a weekly vlog because yeah, we're trying to stay consistent. And yeah, so guys, I am ready for church. Yes, I'm in my white today. But I know it's New Year's Sunday, and this was like one of the nicest things I could find because I really don't have that much heels. I don't like heels, so I decided to wear this white dress, and I showed you guys the rest of the outfit, and I decided to start doing my makeup. But I know how it look. I never put on like a lot of foundation or anything like that. I have my bow in my hair. We will continue this vlog for the rest of the week, and then on Sunday we'll post. I'm trying to post only on Sundays because I think we can't find enough. I don't know. I'm trying to be consistent but also give you guys quality vlogs, and when I think about it, we can't really do no quality vlogs if I go think say I go upload more than once a week. So I'm gonna stick to once a week. I'll see you guys in the rest of this vlog. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Love you guys. Good morning guys. So it is Monday and I am heading out to work. My first day back at work. Yeah, first day. I'm heading out to take a taxi right now. So I'll talk to you guys when I talk to you guys. Oh, by the way, this is my OOTD. Just this pink dress. I'm wearing pink for this week, so yeah. I'm at work. Reach work, but start phone locked, so I gotta wait. Anyways, so yeah, I am tired already. I'm used to this again. Happy New Year! Happy first day of school. Is it happy though? Hey guys, so I am back home. Yeah, the first day was kind of boring. You know, it's the first day, so yeah, it all kind of feel boring. But yes, didn't really have much to do today. It was just kind of like going to the classes. I'm still not sure like what classes I have, but yeah. So yes, right now I'm gonna get changed out of my work clothes, and then I don't know, I just feel like I just want to chill, but in a mood to do nothing. I just can't bother. But yes, I didn't film as much as I wanted to film today. I said I wanted to do a lot of things, and I did not do any of them. I was supposed to go to the haberdashery and like get one of them is to replace, you see that little thing over there? Yeah. And then the other one is supposed to organize like my perfumes and something like what my sister have. They're out of that. For the other thing, I never see the price for it. Just never, and then I couldn't carry it anyways because I was gonna head back to practice. Well, maybe supposed to have practice. I never have it, so I just never bother. Right. But yes, gonna try and see. Well, I have the entire week to like vlog and so on, so even though I did not get to vlog all I wanted to vlog today, I hope I will get to vlog them for the rest of the week. But yes, first day done. First day is done. She reach home early. Hey guys, so it is Tuesday. I just wanted to like, you know, come on and say hi. I'm heading out right now. I have on my nice little outfit. I'm putting it somewhere so you can see it. So, hold on. So yeah, outfit of the day. Alright. Yes, I'm heading out right now. I'm already tired, honestly, but what to do? Alright, so I think it's about 7 now. I always say I want to leave at 7 so that I'm not rushing. But I like to rush, so I am leaving out so that I can be there early. I'm now at work and I bought my book yesterday. because it's like the first week of school and then I'm just back, so it's like my timetable is not yet sorted out and so on. Well, the timetables are not sorted out, so I spent pretty much the entire day on my phone yesterday. And you know how many I spent too much time from my phone? When my phone dead, my phone was dying in the afternoon because I didn't charge it. Yeah, so I bought a book. I started this book from Christmas, and I know I'm gonna reach nowhere. This is where the reaching my book. That's all I've read. So I have this for you. So yes, I just brought it here. So today in the classes, like I'd give them probably like a puzzle for like probably like the first 5 or 10 minutes, who knows, depends, like some unscramble something. Yeah, I'm going to do some math unscrambles and so on, because I have classes to go to, but they're not the right classes, so we're not teaching. So yeah, so I found some, you know, math words. I'm gonna make them unscramble them and then mark it, but otherwise I don't really have not much to do, so I'm gonna bring my book with me. So, yeah, come along with me today. I hope you guys have been enjoying. Well, I haven't done much actually throughout the week, and I don't know how much more I'll be doing, so hope you guys will enjoy the vlog. Yeah, I remember subscribe people and like. Yes, when you guys like the video, it helped me out. So like people, like the video, like it, touch that like button, and leave a comment down below as well. Alright, so sooner or later I better read while, because it is now 7:30 and school begins at 8, so I have quite a while, half an hour, so bye. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday and we are here. Well, I'm here. It is currently 10:39 a.m. and we just had break. It's currently class time, but I don't have a class, so I'm reading my book. Yeah, I'm trying to read more, guys. Really trying to read more and get off the phone. So yes, I want to read this book before the end of January and like start a new book and everything. I want to read at least 2 books for January. Yeah, so I'm aiming for that, but right now, as I said, I am reading. Yeah, I don't know if I like that hairstyle. It's kind of weird. Guys, I bought one. So I bought this in a beauty store in Calitz. Yeah, it was $1,000. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Pretty. Yeah, and it comes with the bond and seal thing. Bond and seal and the tweezer thing with it. Yeah, this is so pretty. So now I can actually try and learn how to put these on. Yeah, this was what, $1,000. Good morning, guys. Yeah, I am at work at 7 a.m. So I was at a 9 night last night, so I had to get up extra early to get here, even though I kind of went to my bed this morning. But yeah, I'm up and I'm at work, so I'm gonna finish ready over there because Shannon had to reach here for 6:30, but even though she was late, yeah, got here almost 7 o'clock. So yes, I'm gonna finish getting ready, like do my hair, fix up whatever hairstyle I want, and then we need to edit the video here because I've started and I don't know, I want to edit, post it on Sunday. So if I don't edit it or I don't finish editing or reach at least more than half, I don't know if the video will go up for Sunday. Yeah, make sure to go. Oh no, I'm sorry, that's why. So yeah, that's gonna happen. See, my days are cool without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you, and my heart can't take no more.
you're treating me so bad.
Alright, so here though, that's gonna be it. So yes, I'll go and edit the video now, guys, and then I don't know, I have 2 unassigned sessions today, I think in the morning. So I don't know, I might drop asleep today. Let's see where that goes. Hey guys, so it is the end of this vlog. It is currently Sunday and I'm trying to finish editing this vlog so you guys can get it today. Yeah, today. Actually in a few hours. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I didn't do too much because I had I had a funeral yesterday and a lot of the preparations and you know, just a lot of stuff relating to that. I had that and I didn't necessarily want to film that because I don't know, it wasn't like a fun time for me. It's just we're mourning, you know, you're sad and all of that. I don't want to be having camera in people's faces at that time, so did not vlog that. So yes, most of my week was pretty much that. So my first week of school was kind of hectic because of that, but yeah, we're through with that. So hopefully next week I'll be able to, you know, do more activities for you guys and film that, get back into my routine and all of that. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoy. Nonetheless, it's my first weekend back at work. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.